Remember when Excel seemed like the answer to all your business problems? But as you grow, those spreadsheets start feeling more like a burden. Time to discover the power of CRM. Here's why upgrading to Zoho CRM is a no-brainer. Ditch the endless scrolling. Zoho CRM organizes all your lead info in one central place, saving you time and headaches. Zoho CRM plays nice with your existing tools. No more messy data transfers between different programs. Need customer info on the go? Zoho CRM makes it happen. Access insights and make updates from anywhere. Zoho CRM handles the boring stuff. Automate tasks so you can focus on building customer relationships. Data is power. Zoho CRM's insights help you understand your customers, spot trends, and make smarter business decisions. If you think Excel can do all that, think again. Zoho CRM is the key to streamlined sales and happy customers. If you're ready to ditch the spreadsheets and boost your business, let the experts at Customerization customize the perfect Zoho CRM solution for you. Contact us today, details in the description.